January day here in Massachusetts. I'm trying to put a compendium of talented musicians I keep finding in these train stations. You're going to enjoy the sound of G Smooth. There's a young man who plays jazz, and I recorded him at the Orange Line at Downtown Crossing near Boston Common. It amazes me how a lot of talent goes unnoticed in these train stations. I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy his sounds. There you go, man.
Yes, sir.
Let it groove. What's your name, man?
G Smooth.
G Smooth?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Keep grooving, man.
No problem, man. Trying to bring back the good old days back with the music, man, you know?
I hear you. G Smooth, man. Everybody in YouTube, this is G Smooth. Talent, good music, right here in the subways and near Boston Common.